to my channel. It's me Shubhangi and you're watching Glam Mermaid. Welcome back to another exciting video, and today's video will be an Urbanic haul video. But I haven't received all the items, so I am shooting this video with all the items which I got till now, and few are on the way. So when I will receive them, I will make sure to do video of that also. And in this video, among the items which I received all are dresses. Because among clothing items, the piece I love the most is dresses. I just search for occasion to wear one piece and dresses. I love them so much. So I've shopped quite a lot of dresses from Urbanic, and they have really chic and classy pieces of dresses, so why not? And a quick disclaimer, please ignore my voice. My health is not well. I'm having sore throat and coughs, so my voice is not doing well. So please ignore that. And yeah, that's it. So if this is something that interests you, then keep on watching. And before moving forward, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And hit the like button if you like this video, and comment down below which outfit you like the most and what you think about this video. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started. Let's talk about the piece which I'm wearing at first. So this is also from Urbanic, and this is a satin dress. We all know how much satin dresses are in trend these days. So I saw this piece on the site and only one item was left, and I quickly just added this to the cart and I checked out because it was looking very nice. Reviews also, it was looking so good. So I thought like I had to get this dress. This is so stunning, and there were 3 colors, but only this color was in stock, and which is nice. मुझे silver color पसंद है. This is a silver color. It's not grey, it's a silver, and which looks very nice. And the material is very good. It's not very thin. I got few satin dress from Insta stores, and those are very thin. The materials are very thin, but this is not at all thin. It is thick, and इस area पे तो और ज़्यादा thick है. So the material is very thick and nice. It's not like see-through. No, it's not see-through. It's a very nice material, and it's very comfortable to wear also. And it has an adjustable straps which you can adjust according to your preference, which is great. I love adjustable strap rather than fixed straps because everyone has different level of comfort. I think these are the best kind of straps that can adjust according to your preference. It's very nice for a party, night party. This dress is something you can dress this up or down according to your wish. This is called Simplicity Sleep Dress, and the color is silver, and I am in the size small. Its MRP is ₹790, but I got it for ₹630. I got this dress within 7 days, which is great. So this is how it looks like. Let's talk about this one. It's very Urbanic cover. Very nice dress. This is how the dress looks. Like in the front, it has mesh. The mesh quality is so high. बहुत ही प्यारा dress है ये. And the sleeves are like this. It's a very long length का dress है. It's not short length. So if you're not comfortable wearing short dresses, you can just give this try. This is so good. And it has 3 colors. It has white, the one which I got. One is maroon, and the other one was blue. Get 3 colors. So you can just buy this. It's a asymmetric dress. From the front, it is small. From the behind, it's like this, fish cut. I got it in the smallest size available there. That was small. Fitting me properly. It's very loose on me, so I have to return this. But I really love this. I wish इसमें एक size छोटा होता तो I would have exchanged it for a size smaller for any special occasion. This is so good. So this is how it looks. It's very loose. The sleeves are nice. The material is nice, but the fit is very odd. It's very loose, and it has a V-neck back. And यहाँ पे there is a like no lining inside. It's a style like that. This is how it looks. And it's a asymmetric dress. Next up is a dress. You have seen this if you have seen my birthday vlog or gift opening video. This is a dress I love. I freaking love this. This is such a princess-like dress. I can't explain it properly how much I love this dress. If this dress is in stock, just grab it. It's so pretty. From the front, it is having a heart-shaped line, and पीछे से it has a zipper and normal square neckline. It is sleeveless, but it has a mesh thing which will fall over there, and that looks stunning. And the color, we all know कितना ज़्यादा ये color trend में है, and this color have become my favorite color. अभी मैं जो भी खरीदती हूँ lavender ही खरीदती हूँ. I love this color so much. जो अंदर का material है ना, it's not normal plain material. It is something shiny material which looks so stunning. But one thing, this dress is small. Okay, small in the sense lengthwise. So I am not a tall girl. मुझे ये short आ रहा था. You are tall, then तो it will be too short for you. But if you are comfortable wearing this short dresses, then you can give it a try. This is very pretty. And इसमें I am in the size small. Oh, मैं ये dress में size नहीं बताया ना. Wait, I'm in the size small for this dress also, and इसमें extra small नहीं है. Okay, the MRP of the white dress was rupees 2090, and I got it for rupees 1567 on sale. Now talking about this dress, I got this again in the size small, and ये मुझे अच्छे से fit आता है. And I got it for rupees 1800, but the MRP of this was rupees 2200 something. I wore this dress for my birthday, and I'm very happy with this dress. This is something I will highly suggest you to buy, but if you are super tall, then it will be short. So this is how this pretty dress looks on me. This is so nice, and the sleeves look so good. Like, the sleeves are the star of this dress. This is so good. The fit of this dress is also perfect, and that's why I love this so much. And I wore this dress for my birthday, so obviously I loved it so much that I wore it for my birthday. So yeah. Now let's talk about a jewelry piece. In Urbanic, you'll get jewelry in piece like this. Let me tell you a story. I never ordered this piece, okay? I got a wrong piece. Actually, I loved it. This is good. But this is for rupees 99. And the piece I ordered was for rupees 299. रिटर्न का ऑप्शन नहीं होता है ज्वेलरी पीसेस पे. ड्रेसेस पे तो रिटर्न ऑप्शन होता है, बट ज्वेलरी पीसेस यू डोंट गेट ऑप्शन टू रिटर्न. दिस इज प्रिटी, डेफिनेटली दिस इज प्रिटी. मुझे ये भी लेना था, बट इसका प्राइस है रुपीज 99. द थिंग आई ऑर्डर्ड लाइक चोकर चेन. उसका प्राइस था रुपीज 299. तो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस इन द प्राइस, सो ऑब्वियसली इट्स माय लॉस. बट ज्वेलरी आइटम्स आर नॉन रिफंडेबल, नॉट रिटर्नेबल. दिस इज प्रिटी, आई लव दिस. इसका क्वालिटी भी बहुत अच्छा है, and it looks so nice. A choker, and इस पे ऐसा लॉक है. This is how this looks. Now moving to the last item of the haul is this sequin dress. This is very pretty, like very pretty. Like normal sequin dress पे the quality, like समझ आता है उसका quality that they are low quality. But look at this, the quality is so good. It won't feel cheap at all, and वो चुभता है ना skin पे. But with this dress, it's not the case. It has a nice lining inside, from inside, so it won't irritate your skin, and you can just wear it freely and enjoy and look like a diva. It's so good. But the only thing I didn't like about this is the strap. It is not adjustable. It's a fixed strap, and ये बहुत बड़ा है. I have to get it altered. Otherwise, मुझे उतना deep necks पसंद नहीं है, so I have to get it altered. But I love this. I'm no way going to return it, and the fit is also perfect. I'm in the size small here again, and the MRP of this dress is rupees 1690, and I got it for rupees 1290. So for 1290 rupees, this dress, I think it's worth every single penny. This is so good. So that was the last item of the haul. This is how the dress looks on me. So इसका sleeves जो है ना, I have to get it altered. ये थोड़ा loose आ रहा है मुझे, and that's why the neck is also becoming very deep. But if I get it altered, it will be fine. So I'll not return this. I'll just keep it because it looks so stunning. to get it altered. Okay, so that's it about this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you're someone who is thinking to buy something from Urbanic, then I hope this video would be helpful for you. And one thing I want to say, if you are willing to buy any dressing item from Urbanic, then please check the size chart. Just don't go with your usual sizes, because Urbanic sizes is different for different items. So don't go with your usual sizes. Check sizes, size chart for every item you shop. And talking about the return policy, they don't have an exchange policy. At least I couldn't find that. Only return option was there, and Urbanic पे COD available नहीं होता है. I don't know it's only in my area or not. It's secure and safe. You won't get fraud. So that's pretty much about this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if this video was helpful and you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below which outfit you like the most and what you think about this video. And we'll meet very soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.